Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing really great. So I'm really excited to make my first video in this channel. I'm kind of investor in stock market. I'll be investing in stocks, ETF, and also in dividend stocks. I can say like growth stocks. I'm kind of diversified investor in stock market. I just started investing in US stock market from March, but I do have experience of 10 years in stock market. So today I'm going to share my entire portfolio that I made it in Robinhood account. So with $12,000. So let me go one by one, and I'll show you what do I currently hold, and what's the average cost I bought, and what all shares I'm going to hold for long term and also for short term. So for the long term, the first share is SPCE. SPCE I do want 10 shares with average cost of 15.63. So this will be like some kind of competitor for SpaceX. So once they successfully launched into space. And next one I do own is my favorite stock, energy. So energy, I'm going to add more in my portfolio. So currently I own 17.53 shares with average cost of 6.99. Next share I do own is Delta Airlines. I'm just holding 2 shares. So definitely I'll be adding more in future when I'm seeing the price which is below than my average cost. Next share I own is GE, 43 shares with average cost of 6.33. And then ENLC, I just bought this share like short term. So with average cost of 1.08, 10 shares, I'll be adding more and I'll sell soon. So this one I won't be holding for long term. So this is only for like kind of penny stocks trading. And then CPE, like same kind of stock, I bought around 52 weeks low with average cost of 0.450 shares. And then Wells Fargo, this one of the bank I do hold in my portfolio. Even Warren Buffett also holding this stock. So once the situation becomes normal, all the bank stocks will suit up. So currently it's undervalued. So you guys can look into this one, or you can, and also you can check for other banks too. So now it's better time to invest in banks. Next stocks I do own is Coca-Cola, KO, 10 shares at average cost of 44.93. So all these fractional shares I just bought whenever I have some money. So I'm not going to look for the like many stocks or like a bulk amount invested in one shares. So I'll be like a more diversified in many stocks. So whenever I have money, I'll invest with the fractional shares. And then Jets I do 120 shares with average cost of 13.2. The reason for buying the Jet, so instead of investing in one single airlines company, so I do prefer investing in Jets, because if any one of the company goes into bankrupt, or something like something bad happen to airlines company, so the Jet is kind of combined airlines ETF. So it depends on multiple airlines instead of one airline stock, and also some travel stocks as well. So if you want to buy some cheapest ETF, this is best ETF I would suggest. Next one is AT&T. I do hold 10 shares with average cost of 29.6. AT&T is only for long term. I'm not going to sell anytime soon. And then American Eagle, I do own 50 shares with average cost of 6.98. American Eagle already I'm in profit of 50 percentage. And then GD, I prefer these stocks instead of Boeing. So this has lot of scope. Then Boeing, I bought 4 shares with average cost of 130.98. Now currently I'm at 6 percentage of profit. I'll be adding more this also, but I will not be adding any shares more than 10 percentage in my portfolio. Next one is WO, my favorite realty income stocks. It's REITs, so it pays dividend monthly. Currently I do own 10 shares with average cost of 50.37. Definitely I'll be buying more in my portfolio. Next one is PPL. I do own 10 shares with average cost of 25.65. Next, Gillette, I do want 6 shares with average cost of 76.10. And then KeyBank, 12 shares with cost of 12.21. OHI, this one another REITs, I do want 5 shares with average cost of 29.57. And then Shell Energy Stocks, I do want 6 shares with average cost of 33.70. So all these energy stocks and financial stocks and REITs are uh, cheapest now. So once the situation becomes normal, all this corona or varana, these situations becomes normal. So definitely these stocks will suit up more. And the next one is work, 8 sats with cost of 26.64, leg with 28.19 average cost, 8 sats. IVR I bought it at 2.71, 10 sats, and I'll be adding more in this shares, and also this also is kind of a long term one. And PBA I hold 16 shares with average cost of 24.05. And then Berkins Hathaway. So this one I just tried when I got my fractional shares enabled. I just tried with this huge share. I'm nowhere near to this much cost in my entire life, I would say, but I'm targeting that. And the next one is Nikola. I bought 10 shares with average cost of 46.69. I bought and sold many times these shares and earned a nice profit with this Nikola thing. These 10 shares I'm going to hold for long term. And MTD, this one I just bought recently. Only started with 1 or 2 shares. I'll be adding more on MTD. This has really good dividend stocks. And PM, Philips Morris, this is like smoke company. This also really good stock to invest for the dividend investing. Currently I do own 3.3 shares with average cost of 72.47. Definitely I'll be adding more on this also. And next one is PSA public storage. I bought this one last month, so with average cost of 196.44, I'll be adding more in this for long term. Oracle as well long term shares. I currently do own 2.13 with average cost of 52.97. And then the next stock I do one is, let me go back to the next stock. My screen got stuck, so I will go with Cisco. I do 4.55 shares with average cost of 46.32. And SPST, this is monthly payer dividend stocks. I just started with 2 shares. I'll be adding more in this one. And then PSAC, this is also monthly dividend paying company. Currently I do 52 shares with average cost of 4.98. And then SHLL, currently I do 14 shares with average cost of 28.54. So this one I'll be selling it really soon. This is only for short term. On the NNN, 1 share for long term. Duke Energy, definitely for long term. This is one of the best energy company that we have to add more in my portfolio. Starbucks, 1 share. Philips, 1 share. So all these 1 shares I'll be adding more in future. So that's the only reason I bought 1 share, just to track the prices and buying more in future. And then PMO is one of the bank. I added 1 more share. And RL real estate, I have 1 share for now just to track. Cousins property, same as real estate. Currently I do own 1 shares. And Johnson & Johnson. So this one I'm just waiting for the discounted price. Currently I just own 1 share. I'll be adding more shares. Once it becomes less than 138 or 137, I'm okay with that price too, because it's really stable company. Next one, bank one, BNS, I just own 1 share. JP Morgan Chase, 1 share. Exxon Mobil, I'm going to add more these shares, so I'm just waiting for the discounted price. This one is already discounted, but still I'll be adding more from this week onwards. Cinemarks, so Cinemarks I'm just waiting for the situation becomes normal. Currently I do own 15 shares with average cost of 11.80. China Mobile, this one I just bought for the dividend and sold it after the dividend date. They reinvested the dividend, that's why you are seeing the fractional share just for $4. And then Party City, just 1 share. Hoodie, this one I just bought for the news, but it doesn't work out, but I'm still holding with the loss. I'll be selling soon once it become profit. And Tilray I'm waiting for the biggest news, like the cannabis they're going to enable in all states. So I'm just waiting for this growth. So currently I just own 10 shares with average cost of 7.11. And medical property trust, so this one I'm going to add more shares with my portfolio. Currently I just have 1 shares with the average cost of 18.8. and BioNTech 1 share, and Janus Brands I currently own 200 shares with average cost of 2.3. ED, this one I just bought recently. I'll be adding more in future. CIT groups I just bought it today with average cost of 18.98. And then fuel cell energy I just bought 10 share. I just started with this one. I'm going to add more. International paper 2 shares 34.08, and then TPR just 2 shares with average cost of 12.62. Cheesecake Factory, I'll be adding more on these shares. So everyone is talking about the restaurant thing that will recover once the situation becomes normal. Currently I just own 1 share just to track the price. And then work from home ETF, they recently launched this ETF, so definitely this is going to rock. So I just bought with 3 shares. Gap 1 share just to track the price, and this one I just bought recently, it's today. SPAQ I bought 70 shares with average cost of 13.97. This one I'll be selling once I get my amounts doubled. So that's all in my portfolio. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll be posting more videos. I need your support on subscription. Just click on the like button if you guys like this video. That will be really helpful for me for the YouTube algorithm. So I'll be posting more and more video in future. So please subscribe and like this like button. Thanks guys for watching.